Dragonflies, with their iridescent wings and slender bodies, are a fascinating sight in the skies. These graceful creatures belong to the order Odonata, a group that also includes damselflies. Dragonflies are aquatic insects during their early life stages, spending up to 4 years as nymphs in ponds, rivers, and streams. They have a powerful appetite, feeding on small aquatic creatures, helping to keep water ecosystems healthy. As dragonfly nymphs, they have a unique defense mechanism. They can shoot water from their abdomen with great force, which can stun their prey or predators. This powerful jet of water is expelled through a tubular structure called the anal tube. When the time is right, the nymph climbs up a reed or plant stem and sheds its skin, transforming into a winged adult. Adult dragonflies are known for their incredible flight agility. They can fly forwards, backwards, and even hovers in mid-air, all while flapping their wings at a rate of up to 30 times per second. Dragonflies are not only beautiful but also play a crucial role in our ecosystems. They are important pollinators, helping to fertilize flowers. Furthermore, they are a significant food source for birds, bats, and fish. In some cultures, dragonflies symbolize change and transformation. This is a fitting symbol given that they undergo such a dramatic metamorphosis in their life cycle. However, dragonflies face numerous threats, such as habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these fascinating aerial aces and ensure they continue to dazzle us with their beauty and grace. So, the next time you spot a dragonfly, take a moment to appreciate this remarkable creature and the vital role it plays in our world. Whether you see it as a symbol of change or simply as a mesmerizing sight, it's hard to deny the captivating allure of the dragonfly.